Hello friends, welcome back to this lecture on the subject Basic Thermodynamics, SY BTech Mechanical, Unit 3, Second Law of Thermodynamics. Now today what we are going to discuss is perpetual motion machine of the second kind. It is also called as PMM2. So what is PMM2? So in simple words, PMM2 is such a hypothetical machine, hypothetical means imaginary machine, which violates the second law of thermodynamics. So violates the second law of thermodynamics means what? Now you can see in this diagram, okay, in this diagram you can see that you can see a thermal reservoir, right, which is having Q as its heat. Now it is giving this heat to this machine. You can call it as any machine, any imaginary machine, and this machine converts complete heat into work without rejecting any heat. So in simple words, a perpetual motion machine is such an imaginary machine which completely converts all the heat into equivalent amount of work done. Practically there is no such machine, because always some quantity of heat will be rejected to the environment, and only some part of that heat will get converted into useful work. So such machine is called as a PMM2. Now again let us discuss these points. Now a machine which violates the first law of thermodynamics is called as PMM1. So again we have discussed that first law speaks about the quantity of heat and work transfer, and the second law speaks about the quality of heat and work conversion. Here also the same thing happened. Now such machines do not exist actually. So no machine can create energy by its own until unless, see, it can only convert the form of energy. It cannot create the energy without consuming anything. So that is violating the first law, and if it violates the first law, it is called as PMM1. Now without violating the first law, a machine can be imagined which would continuously absorb heat from a single thermal reservoir and would convert this heat completely into work. Now see again, now we have already discussed this, that such a machine, the machine will consume heat and it will completely convert the heat into work. The meaning is what? The efficiency is 100%, but there is no such machine which is having 100% efficiency. So here it again says such machines, the efficiency of such machine would be 100%, but practically that is not possible. So it means that it violates the second law. So this machine is called as perpetual motion machine of the second kind, that is PMM2. So in this diagram, we have already seen that in figure, in the previous slide, it shows that the perpetual motion machine of the second kind, a machine of this kind will evidently violate the second law of thermodynamics, and again such machine does not exist in practice. Okay, the meaning is what? The complete amount of heat gets converted into equivalent amount of work done without rejecting any of the heat to the low temperature reservoir. It means that 100% efficiency of that machine, but such machine does not exist in practice. It violates the second law of thermodynamics, and so it is called as the perpetual motion machine of the second kind, and hence called as PMM2. Thank you friends, thank you very much.